Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Black Joker, and in this video we're going to be doing a whitelist testnet. Yes, as the name suggests, you really have to sign a form, and if you're selected you can further this testnet. Okay, so I'm going to run through the basics with you guys. Okay, first of all the links will be in the description below, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bells. So first of all, if you log into your INFURA, this is how the dashboard is going to appear. Okay, as you can see, there are a key, a start, a TXN, and IPFX. Okay, you don't actually have to be a blockchain dev to do this testnet. Okay, actually that's why I'm here to help you guys. Okay, so first of all you have to go to keys. Okay, if you click on keys, as you can see, I've created a bunch of smart contracts. Okay, but for this I'm going to show you guys how to create a new one. So all you have to do is click on create new key. Okay, so this will show up, and I suggest you use the Web3 API. Okay, so once that is done, you can name this project anything you want. Okay, I'll just go ahead and call it Black Joker 1. Okay, so click on create, and voila, you have created an API key, which is this. Okay, this is the most important part of this tutorial. You're going to be needing this later along the way. Okay, so once that is done guys, I'm going to go to the second link. Okay, this also will be in the description, so do try to check the description, and the whitelist form will be on the post section, so please do your best to join every form that you see on the post section. Okay, so here is a list of how to do this. Okay, you can see the quick start, fund your wallet, configure MetaMask, and bridge your fund. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do now is to get a faucet, as we do in every Testnet. Okay, here is the site for that, and mind you, what we'll be using for this on your MetaMask is the gully. Okay, hopefully if you've been following me, you don't have a problem looking for the gully testnet. Okay, so if you have not, just refer back to one of my videos. Okay, this is the testnet guys. As you can see here, is showing there's high usage of this testnet, so you can actually choose any of these. Okay, say this is my MetaMask and this is the gully test. You just have to click here and locate the gully test. Okay, for newcomers, I'll just scale through and show you how to locate it if you're using a new MetaMask. Okay, just click on where you see show/hide. Okay, then make sure this is turned on. This is show testnet network, and once it is turned on, you are good to go. You just have to just bring this down and scroll down, and you can see the gully test. Okay, so for this video I have 0.04 gully from the former testnet I've been doing. So as you can see, there is high activity on this gully, so instead of me to wait for this or actually browse for this, I'll just go ahead with the testnet. I'll drop several links to get the gully testnet, so you can choose anyone you want to pick. Okay, so the next, now probably we have gotten the testnet faucet. Okay, so we're going to go to the next link. Okay, this is the testnet portal. As you can see here, Consensys zkEVM. Okay, so this is all you are expected to do, and as you can see, the ones on green means that I've already done that. Okay, but since this is a tutorial guys, I'm going to still lead you guys through. Okay, So coming back here, you're going to want to add the Consensys zkEVM to your MetaMask. Okay, this cannot be added with chainlist.org, so you are going to do this manually. And as you can see here, guys, this is the what you need to add this. Okay, so all you have to do is click on your MetaMask. Okay, if you click on your MetaMask, you're going to add all these marks as shown. What you have to do is click here, and like you see, I've already added this Consensys zkEVM. So click on add network. Okay, it's done, guys. You're going to be seeing this. Okay, probably if it's still small in your screen, you can actually enlarge this to full screen, so you can actually do this without a problem. So you can see where it shows add manually. Okay, so I'm just going to show you guys how to add. I've already added this, so I don't think it's going to add the second time. Okay, and I don't want to remove my already added. So let's go back. All you have to do is copy this word for word. Okay, first of all, I'm going to actually show you guys how to do this, so because it gets real tricky here, and to an extent it's okay. Let's just go on, so I'll show it to you guys. Okay, so click here, you copy, and you probably come back to your MetaMask and paste. Okay, okay, you copy the second one here and paste. Okay, I will not actually pause this because this is actually where it gets tricky. Okay, and you actually need to follow this step by step. Okay, so you copy these two and paste right here. Okay, then you copy the symbol, then something like this. When it appears, make sure you click on cancel, and here is when it gets tricky. You are going to see could not fetch ID. Okay, so just ignore this message right now, ignore this message and complete your copying. Okay, then copy this and paste. Okay, then probably copy this too, and this is the last one that you have to copy. So copy and paste. Okay, cancel this message, then paste. Okay, guys, so in order to remove this error message right here, okay, but I don't know, maybe when you get whitelisted in the future this might probably not appear, but for the tutorial, in order to get rid of this, okay, you have to go back to the INFURA. Okay, this is actually why we need the INFURA account. Then once you're back in the INFURA, remember how we got here, guys. Okay, let me say it's maybe you made an error and it has to start from the beginning. So let's start from the dashboard. You're just gonna come over to your keys. Okay, then locate your key, then click on manage key. Okay, once you click on manage key, just come over here and copy this. Okay, if you copy this, go back to your MetaMask, and then at the extreme where you have v3 and slash, just paste this last word. Okay, and once you paste that, as you can see guys, the error message has disappeared and you can go ahead and click save. But like I said guys, I've already imported this and I'm not actually going to do this the second time. Okay, so once this is done, let me just, since it's saved, let me just, okay, so this is this. So let's go back to this. So right here you have, if you have not done this, you're probably going to see, okay, let me just refresh this. Okay, you're probably going to see a message that shows you should paste the address which you had right here. Okay, you should paste the address right here. So what you're going to do is come back here, copy this like you did the first time, copy this whole message right here, copy this new URL. Once you copy this guys, once you copy this, you're going to come back over here and then you're going to paste this, and you're going to come back here and copy this too, okay, where the version 3 stops. If you can see guys, back here it stops at v3, so you're going to copy the key and paste there, and you're going to click, and this is going to tick a blue, and then you're going to have to connect your MetaMask to this. Okay, how to do that is to come over to your MetaMask right here. Okay, hopefully you watch this video to the end so you don't make a mistake. Okay, okay, how to do this is when you don't have this setup ticked in green, it's going to actually be a red color if you have not connected your wallet. Okay, so all you have to do is click on here, you can see connect. Okay, let me just, you can see connect, and if it's not connected, you're going to see not connected. So you're just going to click on this and then you're going to actually connect this again. Okay, okay, let me try and disconnect. Okay, I've disconnected this. Okay, so you can see where it says not connected, so you're going to click this and you're going to click this and probably come here. Okay, come right here where you have 3 dots and go to connected sites, and you're going to locate this, or you're just going to click down here where it says manually connect to current sites, on click this and you're going to see this and click next and connect. So this is going to tick in a green color. Then the next thing you're going to do is you are going to bridge. Okay, remember that all the links are in the description below, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification. Then when you're at the bridge, this is where you're actually going to see what I mean by whitelisted users. It says non-whitelisted users risk losing access to any token bridge to zkEVM. Okay, so right here, when you get here, this is going to be disconnected on the first go. Okay, so you're just going to have to connect your MetaMask. Okay, and for the first connection guys, okay, this is where you can actually use this to refer. Okay, it says get some Gully eats, so you're going to be bridging from Gully to the other network. So that's what you're going to do. Click here and get on Gully, and click here and get on zkEVM. Okay, so you're going to be bridging, let's say at 0.01. okay, so make sure you have enough faucets. Okay, so you're going to just wait for this to approve. Hey guys, right here you're going to be on the Gully testnet, remember, for the first step, and then you're going to be on zkEVM. Then make sure here it's not USDC, it's ETH for the first go. Okay, we are trying to make this be on green. Okay, so then you're going to click on send. Okay, I've already done this, but okay guys, once you click on send, you're just going to click on send, and you're probably going to pay some Gully for the transaction. Okay, so here is the transaction. You're going to pay a little fee on Gully to get this across. Okay, so guys, this is how it's going to be once you've sent the transaction. So you're going to wait for this confirmation to be true, then it's going to go to the zkEVM. So once that is done, you're going to have a green tick right 10 minutes and it's going to be done. Oh, so that's it guys, it's confirmed. Okay, it's complete here and pending here. So let's just give it a bit of time. Oh, so that's that. So the next is you're going to change here to zkEVM, then Gully. Right now we're going to do the vice of what we did. So let's say I send a 0.09. Okay, hopefully this goes through. Okay, right now you're going to click on send. Okay guys, then you're going to send 0.09 each from Gully to zkEVM. Okay, so this video has actually been is getting long enough. Okay, so once that is done guys, you just have to click on get balance, and then this will go on and click and change color to green. Okay, so once that is done, you're going to come down to have fun. Okay, then when it's have fun, I'm just going to end this guys to not make this video longer than it has to be. So come over to faucets, then you mint your USDC. Okay, after you've minted this, you can go ahead and swap with USDC right here. Okay, you can see your USDC right here. You can switch to USDT or Ethereum. Okay, so you're just going to have fun. Okay, so right here you can see I have 5 USDC, so I can decide to do a 3 and then send to zkEVM. Net and some fixtures might not actually work, so do well to do this on your own time. Okay, I think we have gone through the basics and the tutorial. So if you get whitelisted, you already know how to go about this. Okay, so then lastly you're going to fill in a form. Okay, all the links are obviously in the description below. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification. So this is the form, and feel free to give them a taste of what you have in your mind. Okay, because your honest feedback is actually appreciated by the team. Okay, so guys, that's all for INFURA testnets. Hope you had fun. If you did, like and comment your questions on the comment section, and see you guys next time.